Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change the Waze icon. Waze allows you to customize the car icon that represents your vehicle on the map. To change it, start by opening the Waze app. After opening the app, click on the three horizontal line on the top left and click on Settings. From here, just click on Map Display and find the option called Car Icon and just click on it. Here you'll see a list of available car icons, including different style, but color, and even fun option like cartoon or custom vehicles. Tap the icon that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this. And it will update immediately on the map. Customizing your Waze icon is a simple way to make your navigation more fun and personal. You can change it anytime by repeating the same steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.